Okay, this is Ethan Millett here, and I'm making a video for an airplane battle. This is our field.
Pretty much.
Yep. It's not much,
it's
but
not that big,
well, it's fine. And this is my friend Mac. He does not have a YouTube video. Say hi.
Hey. I'm about to get one.
Retard. What? Nothing.
I'm about to get
And these are our airplanes.
I practically
My
didn't
swag airplanes versus his failure airplanes. Just
I
cause.
didn't really do that good on any of them, so...
Good. I shall win now.
He's probably
And
gonna
then-
win, and then... I did like beginner airplane.
And then these are his awful ones.
And then
That one I made for him. No, I didn't. Maybe. Okay, so on Mike, what? Yep. A three-way dildo. No, I'm joking.
Look at
It's
that.
not.
It's like a windmill.
A three-way corn cobble. That's what I'll call it. Corn cobble. Okay. Yep.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Airplanes.
We got distracted.
Okay. First go for me. Okay. Matt, point it at the field so I can throw it. Flag. Perfect.
It's right down there, see? Okay, yeah, you might have not seen it.
See it right there.
I'm not that good, so don't blame me.
I don't know if you can see that. I'll
Yeah,
see.
let me see.
Matt, go up to where it is.
What? I might be stupid.
Jump, you weenie butt.
Shit. Dude, I don't like this. Why do you make me do that stuff?
Sure, closer.
Why do you make me do that?
Okay, you see right at his feet? Right there? There it is.
I can see me.
Okay, there's my airplane, all the way from back here. Okay, Matt, come up, it's your turn.
Hold on, wait. I know if I get a stick.
He's getting a stick. His stick is too small for mine. My stick I broke my stick yesterday because I was smashing it against the ground. Yeah, that sounds dirty, but it's not, bro. Push. Fool.
He's an assassin already.
He's not an assassin.
I don't want to be one, jeez.
What? He's
I
wrong.
got dreams.
He's wrong. He will never be an assassin. Here, watch him.
Yeah,
That's
it's
where-
there. It's right there.
At the 1 foot line. Okay, and then here's another one of mine. Here's another one of mine. Here, if it will maybe stay somewhere, like a butthole.
Yeah, it won't stay anywhere.
This butthole.
I'm not even
Oh
sure.
my god.
Oh my god.
Just hold this.
Yeah, this one
Hold. Just hold it.
Yeah, so this is
Okay.
airplane.
Ready, set,
Okay, look at that. Look at that. That's huge. It's a turn.
and then ready, set.
Up. It went way further.
That was like twice as
It went way further twice. Here, I'm gonna go down there. And...
He's a failure. What? Nothing?
Ow.
Oh my gosh! Get the stapler! His airplane died! His airplane! It's dying!
I forgot to snap that.
You mean staple?
Yeah.
Derp. Derp. Wait for this short commercial. Oh, this airplane's about to get surgery because it's a failure. Yes. Come on, you retarded airplane. Work.
Why do I have to keep doing that every time I can mark it? That's stupid.
Your face is stupid.
Martin.
Oh.
I'm gonna get
Now it's Max failure. Again.
we shall see.
How bad it is. Failure man. Wait for it just to go right where that one is too. Fail. Well, it went farther. That went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That went like 7 times his original one. See it? Can you see it? Brr.
You can see it.
That is his original one. That was his first one.
That
That is his second one. Okay? And those are my 2. And those are my 2 up there.
I marked it.
My turn. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Okay. My turn. Whoa.
I got one.
Okay. Ready, set, I bet. Perfect. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that! It's stuck into the ground! That's stuck into the ground.
Oh my god! Look at this! Holy crap!
Look at that!
Holy crap!
Look at that!
Holy crap!
Look at that!
Holy crap!
So that went farther than my first
Yeah,
one.
and a little bit further than the first one.
It went a little bit further than my first one, right? And then it just stuck right into the ground.
Right in the ground.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! And there's no dirt.
Yeah, there's dirt. A little bit. There's a little
There's a
bit.
little bit dirt. This is like science.
Let me see if
fiction,
I'll
pretty
for-
much. Yeah.
Focus.
There's something's going on with the world.
Right around there. Okay? So that went right around here. I'll try putting it back in somewhere. Oh, it was right around here. If I might be able to push it back in. Right here, I believe, is where it went. See, right there is where it was. Perfect.
We shall see. Hope bad is next to it.
Unless he beats me. 'Cause I made this one for him. So if he beats me, I'm going to kick him in the throat.
I'm pretty jelly right now.
You shall fail.
Pretty jelly.
And go. You didn't even do as good as I did.
Flare. Okay, now we need to like.
Oh, who's the
The
winner?
2 of ours. The 2 of ours that took the farthest.
Obviously, I won. Oh, yeah. In the butt.
Now you're winning. But like,
Bro, I'm...
good job.
If you could see me right now,
Oh my.
you would be laughing at me. Probably.
Now we need to take the ones that won and raise these.
No, you shall be perched right here just because I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh my god!
If you can see me, I'm awesome.
Oh, jeez!
You fell. You fell, but you're good. Okay. Fell. That was scary. You fell. You're fine.
The balls under here.
Those are yours. That you left your Noah. And this is my earth-hurted brother using a slingshot, trying to kill me. That failed.
That thing cool. Is that mine?
I'll be right back.
You right now.
Oh, baby. What? What was it? That throw back up was better than my original.
Let me go get us. Let me go get my fire.
Okay. Now that the winter airplanes will be racing, we know who will win. Me.
Well, not quite. You don't know who will win.
Okay. Let's do this. You first.
Same time.
No, you first. Because I have to hold this.
Well, at least the
Wait.
field is. Oh! It's the ground!
You're stuck in the ground too. Yeah. Here's mine. Mine's already passed.
Yeah.
Mine's the one on the left, if you can see it.
Freaking left, man.
Oh, now I get his bike. Here's his. Keep going, keep going. Here's mine. Well, bye. I'm going to ride my bike. Yeah, I do.
Get on my bike.
No. He's trying to rape my bike.
This is my bike.
It's mine. We bet our bikes.
No, we don't.
Good thing I didn't have a bike because it got stolen. Okay, that's it.